How to fix Gmail sync problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail sync problem on Android phone. First, scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here type Gmail and click on it. And now once you're here, all you need to do just click force stop and then go to storage and click clear cache, and now go to permissions, allow all of those permissions, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to storage and click clear data and click OK. And now just try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. But if that also doesn't fix it, so just go to Play Store and check if there is any update here, and then just update your Gmail. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.